Bonjour, I'm Mrs. Turner, the French teacher at BMS. I teach French 1, 2, 3, and 4 at the high school. And language exploratory, you see the picture on the left, you might have seen me in Mr. Wayne's room, first block, teaching all different languages. I'm fluent in French and Spanish, and I love learning more. Again, for French, we usually like to do some hands-on activities. For Mardi Gras on the right, we made some masks. On the left, we have doing some impressionist painting in the French style. If maybe you've heard of Claude Monet, some of them. Of course, a little more art, getting creative there. I do have French games like Monopoly and Life, and this is some students enjoying the game of life, and they have certain phrases they say in French, and the whole game's in French, so that is nice to do. Again, some more painting. For Mardi Gras, we make crepes, which is kind of like a pancake omelet there, and the students get to participate and make those and eat them in class. And there's the biggest baguette you might see there on the left. There's us getting ready to make some crepes this year. Mardi Gras is usually in February or March. And voila, you might see some students doing some creative things. We do Duolingo on the computer. We had a Mardi Gras masks and cake that time. Again, more painting. And we enjoy learning and working together. Nous sommes un petit groupe, mais notre amour pour le français est énorme. We're a small group usually, but we love French. And again, hopefully get more field trips, French convention coming up, and things you can enjoy. So, à bientôt.